Amazing day, sir. Welcome to Globe Store. My name is Cleo Ocampo, your brand ambassador to this video. Are you looking for something new po, sir? Okay. Is it a smartphone or a trifold po? A smartphone or tablet? Oh, smartphone. Let me introduce to you, sir, the king of foldables with ultra durability, sir, which is this one, the Mate X7. So, while Samsung po, sir, nagsa-showcase pa lang sila ng mga trifold smartphone, Huawei is already pioneered because they already launched the first diretso po. Yeah, they already launched the first real trifold smartphone, which is the Mate XT. Now, the Mate XT, sir, using the same proven technology found in the Mate X7 po yun, sir. So, with the Mate X7 po, sir, it has this more advanced and mas more reliable na rin po siya. Then when it comes to the camera, napaka-superior na ng camera performance natin dito, sir. Now, when you see kung mapapansin po ninyo, sir, yung design natin for this. So, it has this ring space design, yun. Naka-time space ring design po yan siya, which is apakaganda rin po nung datingan yan. Then, kung mapipili ninyo, sir, feel nyo po yung surface natin. Yan. Ang gamit po kasi natin dito, sir, is vegan leather. So, naka-high grade material na vegan leather po yan siya. So, gamit po niyan, sir, sumbawa. Kung accidental, mag-i-scratch kayo ng coin sa sa phone natin, sir. Sorry. Kung mag-i-scratch kayo ng ninyo, sir, ng, like, example, sir, try nyo po. Feel nyo po, sir. Mag-scratch kayo ng coin, sir. Scratch all the way tayo. Unlimited scratch. So, kahit lakasan po ninyo yan, anong course na ilagay ninyo, sir. Napakatibay po ng screen natin dyan. It's because yung gamit po natin dito is naka-crystal po doon, armor glass po yun. Ito po yung mga top grade na ginagamit natin para sa mga flagship phones or sa lahat po ng mga smartphones. Ito yung the best na ginagamit para sa durability testing yun. And then pagdating po sa pin nyo po yung fold and unfold natin, sir. Kahit po unlimited tayo mag-fold and unfold dyan, sir. Niyan. Subukan nyo po yung fold and unfold natin, sir, dito. Yun. Napakatibay natin nito, sir, kasi po naka 3-layer structure tayo dito sa system niya, sir. So, pagdating naman po dito sa natin, sa